What's up, Nerd Crew? Nurdie J here, and we're going to continue on to the final part of the build of Gundam Sandrock. We're going to be building his backpack along with all of his accessories. Without further ado, cue the intro! Alright, I gathered up the box of materials, which is this. Oops, I knocked them over. Anyway, and I got the instructions already turned to the backpack section. And so, let's get to building. Alright, so we will bring in Sandrock. And here he is. And then we'll just start attaching the final components. So put the backpack on, like so. And then you take, and you can either have them in like this, which is how I'm going to have them for now. Like so. Or else you can put them in his hands, technically, but I'll worry about that later. And then you finish it off by placing this here. And that's what his backpack typically looks like. So, I will go through articulation and my overall thoughts of this process in a surprise next video. I just thought of it. So, where pretty much I'll do kind of a review of the build and stuff like that. I will also be, in the meantime, clipping out the rest of the hands so we can display that as options. And then I will clip these out because you can switch out the blades. So, I hope you enjoyed this. I know I did. I've been Nurdie J for Nurdie Boys, and I'll catch you next time.